Hey everyone, this is Mr. Priesty. Just got some questions this morning and within the last week, uh, asking about student access to certain things that teachers were sharing on their Schoology, especially if they're sharing something from their OneDrive. So for students, this is really important. I know that we went into the 9th and 10th grade classes, but I don't know if this was communicated as well as it could have been for others. So a couple things you need to do from the student vantage point to make sure that you are set up and you can avoid some of these accessibility issues. First thing is you are going to make sure that you are always going to the school website here and you are accessing your class link, which is right at the top of the page. All right, you'll sign into your class link and it's going to bring you to your Launchpad. So we'll focus really on your Schoology account and your 365. So going to Schoology, once you log in, okay, you're going to come to this section here. Make sure that you go to Resources, okay, and on the side you're going to go down to Apps, okay, and you have to make sure that you see this here. All right, it's going to ask you to authorize it. The OneDrive for Business. You must authorize this so that you can sync up your OneDrive with Schoology. All right, and that will be your way of being signed in, so that if a teacher does drop something from their OneDrive, you shouldn't have a problem. All right, so that's going to be step one. Again, so you'll be on your Schoology page, okay, click on Resources, and on the side, you'll go down to Apps, and when you go to Apps, your OneDrive resource app, you must authorize it and follow the prompts. If it's the first time you're doing it, you'll probably have to log in for the first time there. Okay, so that's a good thing. All right, the next thing is we're going to go back to your Launchpad here. We're going to go to Office 365. All right, and here are your list of your really Office suite of programs. But you're going to click on OneDrive. All right, and as OneDrive starts to move and load up, you're going to look for up here, New, Flow, and you're going to click on Sync. All right, follow the prompts and make sure that's all synced up. Okay, and going back to Schoology, you shouldn't have any issue at that point. If you do, by all means, get in touch with us, and we'll be happy to help you along the way. I hope this helps, and yep, that just finally synced there. I hope this helps. Have a great day. Stay safe, everyone.